Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm gonna talk about lip liners and specifically about the best contoury lip liners in formula and shade. If you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the most affordable to the most pricey lip liner. So I'm starting with the Catrice Plumping lip liner in the shade Queen Vibes. I absolutely love this lip liner. Everything about it actually. It's twistable. I really like that it's not too cool toned and it's not too warm toned, so it's very easy to use it. It's creamy enough, but it has a lasting power. Just need something to get my lips off. Probably my lip lines are not going to be the best, so many of them. I'm going to show you the Queen Vibes. So you saw how easy it was to use it. And the shade, for me is just perfect for my complexion, and the price, it's so low, it's so affordable. Like, this really shows you that you don't always need to buy a high-end, very expensive lip liner to get a really nice result. So I'm highly recommending this one. So this is Queen Vibes. Okay, let's continue with NYX Lip Pencil. This one is in the Nude Truffle. You probably already heard about this one. So the formula of this one, it's way more dry. You can see it. So this is the one from NYX and this one is from Catrice. It really depends on which formula you prefer for your lip liner. The shade, it's a tiny bit deeper, I would say, and a little bit more warm toned. So I would say that with this one you don't need to be so precise and right the first time. You can really work it in. This one is a little bit less forgiving in that sense, but it's so easy to use it anyway, so it really depends on which formula you prefer. More creamier one or more dry one. I also really like this one. I mean, I love them all, of course. If I didn't, then I wouldn't do a video like this mentioning them. So this is the Nude Truffle. This is from Nabla. And if you haven't yet tried these lip liners, you absolutely must. This is close-up lip liner in the Nude one. So you can see it right next to it. It's more, so my lips are going to be sore again. So I think that these ones are actually not so forgiving for the beginners, but they are very long lasting. They are a little bit more waxier. For me, this is perfect for everyday contouring because it's not too much and the shade, it's not too off. It's not like too extreme, too dramatic. So with this shade, because it's the lightest, it's not a big problem with the formula. I mean, the formula is actually great, but if you have like trouble keeping your lines really neat, but with darker shades you can have a bit of a problem because the formula actually dries out quite quickly, and then, you know, if you go over your line, it can actually disrupt the line underneath. It can pick up the product, or it's darker in some area, but with this shade you won't have that problem at all, and you will have the contoury lips throughout the day, and it's going to stay like that. It's such a great lip liner. I'm highly recommending it. And then the next one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Deep Taupe. So you can see this is the darkest, and it's kind of close to Nude Truffle, but it's darker and a little bit more brownier, but not in a sense. The Truffle one, it has a little bit more of that orangey, like yellowy undertone than this one. I have to say that I actually really like this formula of these lip liners. They are more expensive, but you get like this is Catrice and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I've already used it some, so you get a lot. So I would say that these are actually worth the money, like for the price and how much you get it and the quality. I would say these one are the best value actually. Let's take it off. Okay, so I wasn't so precise with this one at all, but it is more of a dramatic contoury shade, but it's absolutely beautiful and with really pretty lipstick that is just like a 2 shades lighter than this lip liner. It's just going to look fabulous. Okay, and let's continue to the most famous one probably. It's Makeup Forever and it's in the shade Endless Cacao. You can use these artist pencils basically everywhere you want, so on your eyes, lips. It's not just a lip liner actually. And you can see this is also the most unique shade of them all because it's the most contoury, because it looks the most like a shadow. It's very cool toned basically. The formula is very old school. We have these like forever and they will stay because formula just works even though that it's not some kind of a like modern formula. So I'm going to show you the shade. This one is Endless Cacao. I would actually wear this shade in a little bit different way than the others. I actually prefer to create like a shadow effect. So I like to use my finger to blend it out, and I like to use it more in a natural way, so like that, and then lip oil or something on top. So these are my favorite lip liners for creating that contoury lips. I love them all practically equally, from the most affordable to the high price lip liner. I still really like the effect of contoury lips, especially because my upper lip is so small. This is a trend for me. So if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like it and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because most of you are not yet. Click the bell button next to it so you can be notified when I upload. Have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye.